I'm doing my highlights. You put it on first under your eye, on your chin, on your forehead, and then you get a, what do you call this again?
You tell me.
Applicator brush. And you blend.
Look how this boy wasted my product.
You blend, you blend, you blend, you blend.
You realize that don't match you?
So we thought like China already. Look at that, I'm beautiful.
So what color are you using on your lips for church?
I'm gonna do a fuchsia.
Okay, you want me to give you a fuchsia?
That look like fear or daughter, isn't it? So lipstick?
Yes.
I don't want no lipstick.
It's fuchsia, no, it's lip gloss. You want gloss? Which one do you want?
So lipstick this.
So what you want?
No lipstick.
What you want? That don't have no color, baby. Why is it you mouth like that? I don't do that.